In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly upload invoices to Excel or SharePoint using Copilot. With this powerful tool, you'll be able to extract key data such as amounts and dates effortlessly. Moreover, you'll automate data entry into your accounting software, making manual entry a thing of the past. Finally, I'll walk you through reviewing your processed invoices to ensure everything is in order. First, let's start by understanding the process of uploading invoices. Copilot is a fantastic tool that integrates smoothly with platforms like Excel and SharePoint. Begin by opening your preferred platform, whether it's Excel or SharePoint, and navigate to where you want your invoices to be stored. Once you're ready, you can initiate the upload process. Copilot will guide you through selecting your files and ensure everything is set up correctly. This streamlining reduces the chance of errors and significantly speeds up your workflow. Next, let's dive into using Copilot to extract key data, such as invoice amounts and due dates. This step is crucial for maintaining organized and accessible records. Copilot employs advanced data recognition techniques to identify and pull relevant information from your invoice. As invoices are uploaded, it'll automatically highlight and categorize these essential details, making them instantly available for further use. This intelligent extraction not only saves time, but also minimizes mistakes caused by manual entries. Once you've gathered the key data, it's time to automate the data entry process into your accounting software. Automation is a game changer, transforming how data gets fed into your systems efficiently and accurately. With Copilot, set up a simple integration between your chosen platform, be it QuickBooks, Xero, or any other, so what you extracted can be smoothly transferred. Doing this reduces your workload immensely and ensures that data stays consistent and accurate across all your documents. Lastly, it's vital to review processed invoices to ensure everything aligns correctly. Even the best automation processes benefit greatly from a quick human touch to verify. After Copilot processes your invoices, take a moment to go over the entries. Double-check the amounts, dates, and any other relevant information to guarantee they reflect what you uploaded accurately. This final step is important because it guards against any discrepancies and ensures your records maintain integrity. So there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can efficiently manage your invoice processing using Copilot, vastly improving your productivity and accuracy. By automating these key processes, you're not only saving valuable time, but also significantly reducing the potential for human error. With these tools in hand, you'll be well equipped to handle invoice management with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials that help streamline your workflow.